Right, I'm back. Now what I'm going to show you, am I back? Yeah. What I'm going to show you now is how to make some split rings. So if you don't have any, don't fret about buying them. You can make them if you've got wire. You do have to have wire that's quite firm but flexible. I can't tell you what gauge it is because I have no idea. And you can use anything that's straight. Like, I mean, you could use this, you know, for crochet needle. Right, I could use that, but I have a tool that I have. But all you need to do anyway, I'm going to use a crochet needle just to show you. Leave some out, wrap it round, like that. So I'm just going to show you what I do. And you can push them down just so that they're all together. And you've got and that's how you can make your spirals to go in between your beads as well. It's, you know, it's really, really simple. So let's just get this going. When you do that, you can push them down so they're all the same. And you can make these spirals as long as you want them, if you're doing the spiral. So I could use that as a bead. But because I'm going to show you how to do the split ring, you cut it like that, take that off there, take the end off, sorry, so I need to clear my desk. Right, so I've ended up with a spring, okay. Now, like I say, you can use that in your jewellery if you wish, but if you want to make a split ring, all you do is where it ends, where you've just cut it, cut that again. And you're making a split ring. Look, it's as easy as that. So just keep cutting it. So you can make the split ring the size you require. And you don't have to go and buy all different sizes. Make them yourself. And my motto is, as people will know, are you going to say it with me, folks? Come on. Make what you can and buy what you can't make. Because that's how I do it. Make anything I can and then I'll buy what I can't make. And we just need to snip that off at the right place. So there's my split rings. And they will work perfectly well with jewellery. Like that. See?